Hello everyone. The tournament I'm doing is the UEFA Champions League History and Origin. So this tournament was founded by Gabriel Hanat and Jacques Ferran. This is an elite international soccer or football tournament for teams only in Europe. This uh, competition was founded in 1955, first known as the European Cup, so 64 years ago. Then this competition branched out in the 1992-1993 season as the Champions League. The very first tournament had only 8 teams. Basic concept and rules of the league. So this league, the Champions League, have 32 teams, 8 groups consisting of 4 teams each. Only 2 teams advanced from the group to the round of 16. Governing bodies of the competition. So UEFA, the Union of European Football Association, is the governing body of this. Consists of 55 countries. Frequency and location of this event. So this competition occurs every year only for teams in Europe. And so the location is in Europe. Some of the major countries include England, Spain, Germany, France, Italy, Portugal, and others. Size and scope of the event. So the UEFA Champions League is a very prestigious competition that is watched globally. This competition is watched by every soccer or football as they call it in some parts of the world, found around the world. This competition has grown tremendously over the years, with the competition getting more competitive and more people watching. Also, this event started with 8 teams, now it has 32 teams. This shows how much this competition has grown over the years. Plus, also the introduction of more countries in Europe, so now there's more European countries participating, or more teams from different European countries participating in this league. Profile of participants and spectators. So generally this is gender neutral. You have male and female teams. This competition is very inclusive. Upper, middle, and lower class players from all different backgrounds participate. So spectators, still male and females. The UEFA Champions League is watched and enjoyed by people of different genders and people from different social classes. Spectators come from all different ages, different countries. So it's like a very global competition. So the very first team to win is Marseille, who won the inaugural final in 1993, defeating AC Milan. The teams with the most trophies. Real Madrid has won the competition the most with 7 titles. Next to them is Barcelona with 4. Liverpool FC is the current champions of the UEFA Champions League. So media coverage. So the UEFA Champions League has received a lot of media coverage globally. This competition can be streamed via live stream from the internet or television broadcasters. Depending on location and different region of different television broadcasters. These include ESPN and ESPN Plus, mostly used in North America, beIN Sports, used in Europe and Asia, and Sportsmax, who's used in the Caribbean. You have other channels such as NBC, CNBC, that is used predominantly in London, England. Sponsorship support. So UEFA is sponsored by a lot of major European companies and athletic clothing companies. This competition is watched globally, so it is supported by many different sponsors and received a lot of media coverage and sponsorship deals. Gazprom, the Russian energy giant, has been the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League since 2012. Other major sponsors of UEFA Champions League includes Heineken, Santander, Nissan, Sony, and Pepsi Cola. So the licensing program. So UEFA just announces the development of a new worldwide multi-category licensing program. This program will maximize the UEFA brand visibility and support the values and image of this elite football competition. This program will promote the global approach of the competition through their availability via a wide range of distribution channels. These will include watches, eyewear, stationery, writing instruments, travel goods, gifts, and men accessories. The Warner Bros. Consumer Product has been appointed to manage the licensing program on a worldwide basis. Facts about the Champions League. So the UEFA Champions League final is the most watched annual sporting event in the world. The most successful club in the tournament's history is Real Madrid. They have the most titles. English clubs were banned from 1986 to 1991 due to events of hooliganism, destruction of property, and other misdemeanors. The 2020 Champions League final will take place in Istanbul, Turkey. Those are my references. Thank you.